Hey traders, in today's video, I'm going to teach you exactly how to trade cryptocurrencies as a beginner trader. Keep watching. It's pretty hard to believe that we've been limiting our abilities to make more money in the cryptocurrency markets because we failed to understand and accept that the current price action of any cryptocurrency can either zigzag uptrend or zigzag downtrend. That means the current price action of any cryptocurrency can only move in one of two different directions at any given time. So if you want to be a consistently profitable cryptocurrency trader or investor for the long term, you have to choose to trade short or long based on the trend direction of the current price action of the cryptocurrency that you are interested in trading. For example, if you want to trade short, make sure to sell and buy back the cryptocurrency on a red candlestick's downtrend price action. But if you want to trade long, make sure to buy and sell the cryptocurrency on the green candlestick's uptrend price action. That way, you will be trading in favor of the trend and not against the trend. Look, traders, last year we analyzed the candlestick price chart data of over 1,000 cryptocurrency pairs. To learn more about the most important metrics for performing proper technical analysis of any cryptocurrency, we looked at support and resistance metrics. And we also looked at the indicator metrics. And thanks to the data provided by the tradingview.com chart page, we discovered that the entire candlestick price chart data of any cryptocurrency, it's divided into sections of bullish trend and sections of bearish trends. Hence, the name bullish trend section and bearish trend section was discovered. So the most important metrics for performing proper technical analysis of any cryptocurrency pair or the bullish trend section and the bearish trend section of the cryptocurrency price action. Finally, we discovered that using metrics like support and resistance, double top, double bottom, cup and handle, breakout, breakdown, and all of the best indicators ever known to mankind are not important, because they cannot influence the price action of any cryptocurrency to zigzag uptrend or zigzag downtrend. For example, let's take a quick look at the entire candlestick price chart data of the DAR USDT cryptocurrency pair. So let's scroll back the entire candlestick price chart data of the DAR USDT cryptocurrency pair to see how this cryptocurrency have performed in terms of average daily traded volume and price volatility over the course of the time it's been trading on a Binance exchange. It's easy to see the uptrend and downtrend nature of the price action of the DAR USDT cryptocurrency pair when you consider red candlesticks to form a bearish trend sections and green candlesticks to form a bullish trend sections. So as you can see, the first candlestick on a candlestick price chart data, it's a red candlestick, which indicates the start of a bearish price action, and the second candlestick, it's a green candlestick, which indicates the start of a bullish price action. But both candlesticks are only a single candlestick that are not on a trend. Okay, now it's time to identify the bullish trend sections and the bearish trend sections of price action on a 4-hour candlestick price chart data of the DAR USDT cryptocurrency pair. So to identify a bullish trend section on a candlestick price chart, you have to identify the highest price of the red candlestick bearish trend starter and the lowest price of the bearish trend. For example, look at these downtrending red candlesticks that signifies a bearish trend. And to identify the bearish trend section, you have to use the price range to measure the percentage dip of the price action from the lowest price of the bearish trend, which is $1.098, to the highest price of the red candlestick bearish trend starter, which is $2.142. So as you can see on a candlestick price chart data, this bearish trend section, it's approximately 95%. And next up, to identify a bullish trend section on a candlestick price chart data, you have to identify the lowest price of the green candlestick bullish trend starter and the highest price of the bullish trend. For example, look at these uptrending green candlesticks that signifies a bullish trend. And to identify the bullish trend section, you have to use the price range to measure the percentage bounce of the price action from the highest price of the bullish trend, which is $1.643, to the lowest price of the green candlestick bullish trend starter, which is $1.161. So as you can see on the candlestick price chart data, this bullish trend section, it's approximately 41%. Okay, moving on to a more detailed candlestick price chart data analysis, you have to rinse and repeat this process of identifying the next bullish trend sections and the next bearish trend section of the price action on the candlestick price chart data. For example, this bullish trend section started from the highest price of this red candlestick bearish trend starter, which is $1.589, and dipped down to 14% and bounced back up to 2%, and then it dipped down again to 37% and then bounced back up again to 28%. And it dipped down again to 53% and bounced back up to 34%. And finally, it dipped down again to approximately 140% to complete its standard circle of bearish trend operation at the lowest price of this uptrending green candlestick, which is $0.661. The question is, how much money can you potentially make as profit going short on this bearish trend section? For example, let's say you opened a short trade position with $100 at the constant 15% entry price. You will be making over 100% profit when you close the short trade position, and 100% of $100 will be $100 profit. Okay, what if you open the short trade position with $1,000 and closed the trade at the same 100% profit? That means you will make $1,000 worth of absolute profit. And next up, this bullish trend section started from the lowest price of this green candlestick bullish trend starter, which is $0.661, and bounced up to approximately 25% before the bullish trend was interrupted and nullified by this downtrend in red candlesticks. And next up, this bearish trend section started from the highest price of this red candlestick bearish trend starter, which is $0.831. And finally, it massively dipped down to approximately 194% to complete its standard circle of bearish trend operation at the lowest price of this uptrending green candlestick, which is $0.282. Again, how much money can you potentially make as profit going short on this bearish trend section? You will be making approximately 150% going short on this bearish trend section. So if you open the short trade position with $1,000 and close the trade at 150% profit, that means you will make $1,500 worth of absolute profit. And next up, this bullish trend section started from the lowest price of this green candlestick bullish trend starter, which is $0.282, and bounced up to 43% and dipped back down to 4% and then bounced back up again to 70%, and then it dipped back down again to 38%, and finally it bounced up to approximately 95% to complete its standard circle of bullish trend section at the highest price of this downtrend in red candlestick, which is $0.546. Look, traders, there is so much opportunity to make more money in the cryptocurrency markets, even when the price of Bitcoin it's crashing like crazy. So traders, now it's clear that the candlestick price chart data of any cryptocurrency, it's divided into bullish trend sections and bearish trend sections. The question is, how can you make use of this data to make more money when trading the cryptocurrency markets? The secret a profitable trading strategy. And if you want to upgrade your cryptocurrency trading skill to the next level, make sure to check out our trendscrapers.com live crypto trading community. Leave a comment below and make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.